The new iPhone Pocket isn't a new mini iPhone, it's a limited edition collab that dropped today at only 10 Apple stores across the globe. It comes in 8 colors, but unfortunately has already sold out. But guess what? I have them all right here. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the places I go, the things that bring me joy, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you love tech and fashion, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right match for your needs. In this video, we'll unpack the new iPhone Pocket and show you all the cool ways to style it. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very Apple, but if you peruse, you won't find the Apple logo on it. Instead, it says ISSEY MIYAKE, a renowned Japanese fashion house. Fun fact, Apple's history with ISSEY MIYAKE goes back a long way. Back in the 80s, on a visit to Japan, Steve Jobs got the idea of uniforms for Apple employees, and he reached out to ISSEY MIYAKE himself to design them. While that idea didn't materialize, another fun fact, that iconic black turtleneck that became part of Steve's signature look was custom ISSEY MIYAKE. That partnership comes full circle with today's limited edition release. The iPhone Pocket comes in 2 sizes, short and long. And today at the Apple Store, it was the long one in black that sold out first because I guess, just like me, folks want to use it as a crossbody bag. Since Cosmic Orange is the signature color this year, let's unbox the short one in Mandarin. All you have to do is peel open the top part. Now let's compare the orange. Apparently, the ISSEY MIYAKE team proposed the color orange or Mandarin as one of the options before they found out that Apple was making an orange iPhone this year. The iPhone Pocket is just nestled in some cardboard and you just lift it up like so. And tucked inside is just this little cardboard with some instructions on the other side. It's also worth checking out the care instructions. The iPhone Pocket is hand wash only. We've got 7 more colors to go, but I can't wait any longer. So let's see what the orange iPhone looks like in the orange iPhone Pocket. Perfect match. This will go so well with the blue iPhone. We'll check it out later. If you're a content creator or someone who just uses too much bandwidth like me, you know that premium speed usually means a premium price tag. That's why I'm excited to tell you all about this video's sponsor. This is the Deco BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 mesh router from TP-Link, the #1 provider of Wi-Fi devices. For work, I'm constantly downloading massive project files and uploading videos, so a reliable mesh router system is key. The BE5000 pushes connections up to 5 gigabits per second, faster than standard gigabit internet. It uses next-gen Wi-Fi 7 features to deliver fast downloads, lag-free gaming, and clear video calls. Wi-Fi 7 is quickly becoming the new standard for everyday devices, like your smartphone and laptop. My New York City apartment is only 1,000 square feet, but one pain point I have is the outdoor patio. Because I have a 3-pack, I now have fast and reliable Wi-Fi that reaches outside, allowing me to work and enjoy the beautiful weather at the same time. The mesh optimization and powerful antennas ensure whole home coverage that keeps up. It also handles smooth connections for over 150 devices, which is a godsend as a tech content creator. What all of this means for you is that if you live in a bigger house with multiple floors, you're covered too. Each unit comes with dual 2.5 gigabits per second WAN or LAN ports, so on days when I really need to lock in, I can hardwire my main station. Managing it is simple and secure, and setup is easy using the Deco app. Speaking of the app, there's a feature called Quality of Service, which lets me prioritize certain devices when I need them. If you need reliable and affordable smart home networking, the TP-Link Deco BE5000 is what I recommend. At just $249.99 for a 3-pack, it's a high-performance mesh solution without any compromise. I'll put a link in the description box below. Next up, the Sapphire iPhone Pocket in the long version. while it might look more or less the same size, it actually is folded in half. So let's just peel off the cardboard. For context, this is long and this is short. Now that we have them stacked on top of each other, it's double in length. Next up, pink. Lemon. Peacock. Purple. And now for the neutrals. We've got cinnamon and black. Fall and winter. Boot. And there you go, the full collection. Before we try it on, I show you what fits and the many ways in which you can style it. First, I'd like to address a question that I see a lot online. Is it just an overpriced sock? Hell no! Just like an iPhone, a lot of engineering went into the design of the iPhone Pocket. Its ribbed structure is a nod to the engineered pleats that have become an ISSEY MIYAKE staple. Be that creations under the Pleats Please brand for women, and en plissé, like what I'm wearing today, for men. These pieces are so well built, I can throw them in a washing machine if I wanted to, and I have, and they come out perfect and ready to wear every single time. The ISSEY MIYAKE Design Studio says iPhone Pocket was inspired by the joy one gets from wearing an iPhone, and has references to the "a piece of cloth" concept Miyake explored way back in 1997. In today's world, it's designed to be an extra pocket for your iPhone, as well as all of your things. A blank form subject to interpretation and expression. The material is durable, stretchy, and snug, and is 3D knitted, one singular piece. Earlier today, someone at the Apple Store came up to me curious why I was willing to drop some big money on the iPhone Pocket. Was I just an Apple fanboy? And maybe there is truth to that. I'm also an ISSEY MIYAKE fan. For me, though, this is more than just a fashion purchase. Just like I sometimes invest in pieces off a Paris runway, for me, this is also an investment in wearable art. To those calling it a sock, I will say it is definitely a nod to iPod socks from 20 years ago. I actually found a sealed box on Etsy, but unfortunately, it didn't make it in time for this video. But don't worry, follow me on Instagram and I'll be posting some comparison reels soon. The 3D knit of the iPhone Pocket makes it both snug and stretchy, so now it's time to find out what fits inside of it. Let's start with the GadgetMatch colors, 17 Pro in Mandarin, a Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max in Cinnamon. Give me that pumpkin spice. Sky Blue iPhone Air in Peacock, and Blue iPhone 17 in Pink. Of course, the iPhone Pocket can carry more than just iPhones. As you can see here, I have a tray of essentials. Let's see what will fit. I have a purple iPhone Pocket. Let's start with my MagSafe power bank for the iPhone Air. There's definitely space for my card wallet. There's definitely space for some perfume. Some lip balm goes in too. I think we can definitely fit in some cash. That should have gone in the wallet. 2 sticks of gum. And my AirPods. I mean, it fits. I guess I'll just have to wear my glasses. Okay, now let's try some snacks. As you can see, I have some water, an apple, and a little treat. Let's pack the water bottle first. See, you need a couple of these for a little trip to the park for a picnic. That looks so good. Now let's try an apple. Oh my god, we could fit 2 apples inside. But that gives us some room to put my chocolate cookies in. Now I'm ready for my picnic. At the launch event in Japan, Apple actually invited a stylist to showcase the different ways to wear and style the iPhone Pocket. I wasn't there, but here is how I'd wear it. Okay, wearing. Let's start with the basics. Short one will sort of fit on your shoulder. I guess it'll depend on the size of your arms. The other way to wear it is just on your arms like so. But the way I would hold it is by my side like this. The long one is meant to be worn cross-body, so it hangs to your side like so. Here are some other ways you could wear it. If you had a belt, you could thread it through like so, and then bring one side down. If you didn't have a belt, you could use this as a little stylish one. Or maybe you could use it as a tie. What do you think? Or why not accessorize an accessory with an accessory? We could thread a brooch through, so now it has a little bling on it. Of course, you can accessorize it any which way you like. In fact, could add a charm, for example, like this Rodeo Pegasus. Maybe a keychain or a labubu. Now let's style some bags. I was thinking, instead of this labubu that Justine got me, we replace it with the pink one. Just slide it in like this, and then pass the iPhone through the hole, and just pull a little bit like a tie. So you don't have to open your bag to get to your phone. Perfect when you're traveling. Or what if, instead of an iPhone, we put the labubu back in? It's your perfect labubu holder. Hello, hi Justine. What do you think? It's also perfect if you have a tote bag like this. You can be a little bit moody and do black on black. Or you could introduce pops of color, like orange on one side, bright yellow on the other. Or maybe have a bag like this. This is my camera bag from Dior. You could also have it off to one side like this, like a little scarf on the side. Now, those were just some ideas. How would you style your bag with the iPhone Pocket? Before you get too excited, here is where I tell you the iPhone Pocket is sold out globally. I don't think there's been this limited of an Apple release ever. Apart from a very brief appearance on Apple.com this morning, the iPhone Pocket was sold at only 10 stores globally. Most of the stores were in Asia. Of course, there was also Paris, Milan, and London in Europe. And here in the US, only one store, the Apple Store in Soho, which is where I picked them up this morning. Here in the US, they retailed for $150 for the short model and $230 for the long one. If you could pick one up, what color would you choose? Let me know down below. I personally am a fan of blue. That was an obvious answer, so definitely sapphire is my favorite pick. And because I wear a lot of dark clothes, usually navy blue and blacks, definitely a pop of color is the way I would go. Orange is a close second. And that was everything you need to know about the iPhone Pocket, a collab between Apple and ISSEY MIYAKE, two brands known for thoughtful design and engineering. What brand would you like Apple to collab with next? I'm curious. Let me know down below. And for more luxury tech, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow me on social for all the behind-the-scenes fun, travel, and fashion. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.